Hello there and welcome back for this video. And in this video we want to speak about the bootstrap-vue and how you can styling your calendar element. In the previous video we learned about the basic about the calendars for bootstrap-vue, and what I want to show you in this video is how you can style it so it's looking a little bit more beauty. So this is just a styling video about the calendar for bootstrap-vue. Before we are typing code, I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel. You can go in the right corner below, then you can type click on the thing below, of course, sorry, and if you want you can like this video, and I hope you want to share it with your friends. And remember, everything in this video will be found on my GitHub profile, and you can just see all the links in the description below. So let's start encoding something. The first we want is create a calendar object, and we call it block. Block is meaning you will be 100%. And then I'll just for fun this time, I'll just make it on Danish, so you can see how the Danish calendar is working. It would be nice if we have two buttons down below here. Call it I'll just put it in the class here, dflex. And then we have buttons here. Let's go in for the browser just to confirm what we have done. You can see we have the block, so it's scaling up the calendar here, and that's fine. But now we want to today button, and we want to clear button. So let's go back here. I'll just say b model, it's value, going down for the data and say null. And going up here again, and then we need to say the B button and clear date and set today. Size should be small. I think that's fine, so it's not so big, but it's up to you, of course. And let's say we want a variant, an outline danger, and if value is set, that it's only allowed to show the clean button if we have set some kind of date. And then we have a click, and down here variant should be outline primary, and it should be click to set today. Going down, not clean, should be clear. And we're going down here and create a function, and the same for this one. And this is pretty easy. This is just set value, it's equal to null, and then we just say the const it's now is equal to new date, and then we say this value is equal to new date, where we have now get full year, get month, and now get date. And that should be it. Let's go back for the browser and see what happened. So today, now we have the 24, and then I can clear data. Now it's gone. I can work around and set the date, and it's smooth. So the next step we want to go now should be to design the calendar field. So right now the calendar field is very compact, it's not so beauty, so let's just work with that. Going back for the editor here, and we want to say the style, and the style should be calendar grid body, and then we need to go inside to the column, and what I want to say it's 120, pixels, so it's get a little bit bigger. I just need to see about right here. Maybe I'm spelling it too bad. So let's copy this one. And yeah, I've replaced, you can see the E and not the A, so that's beauty. And then you're going inside here, and now we have a beauty calendar. It's filling almost the screen. I know if you have a smaller screen, this will be scrolling and da. But the point is, we have smooth calendars now. I think the next step we should do, it's probably make the highlight, so we can have some dates in this season where it will be information like the blue color, and then we will have the warning color, so it's the yellow, and it's just to informate like where you should take care of and where it's a low season. So that's what we gonna do now. So let's go back for the editor, and I'll just come up here and show you how it's working. Date info function, and then we call date class. I'll go back here. It's almost look like if you see the previous video. It's about how you can disable the dates. It's almost the same procedure we want to do. So const day is equal to date get date, and month day comma date, and then we say let class text is equal to nothing if day is between the 1st and the day 10. Then we say class text is equal to table warning, else if day is bigger than 10 and below bigger than equal to 10 or below equal to 20. Then we're gonna do this one. Just copy this and say info, and what we want to return here should be class text. Let's go for the browser about, see it's working, and now you can see the 1st to the 10, it's yellow, and then we have the 11 to 20 should be blue. And I know you can see here it's the equal to, so we have some override because it's hitting this first. So I'll just remove this so it's more clean. Now we have 9 days and we have 10 days. And if we just go in the future, you can see it's the same always. And of course, we can go inside and say the date. We can say const date get month, and we can say and month is between 5 and 7. So let's see this one. We have the 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. No, I'm probably wrong on it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we have a little bit error here. Of course, the problem is the months. I think it's starting with 0. I'm not basically sure, but let's see the months here. Because that should not work like that. 5, 6, 7. Okay, now it's working. So should be below than 7 and not equal to 7. So that's perfect. Now it's working. So that's how we can work with the dates here and mark something with you. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want, you can subscribe to this channel. I really hope you want. If you don't know how to subscribe, you can go in the right corner below and press on the ding. I hope you want to share it and add for the playlist, so you always can find my videos. Remember, all the code will be on my GitHub. The links will be in the description below. And if you have any questions, please make the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye.